Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Well, good morning. I bet you guys were wondering what happened to me the other day. So, scheduled my daily vlog for Tuesday and it went up as private and I didn't notice. I don't know why it was private, or unlisted is what it went up as. And I'm like, now Melon had let me know that she was struggling with the comments section, wasn't allowing comments. So I didn't get any comments all day, which normally you guys comment. So I was really surprised no one was talking to me. I was like, I feel the love. And it just figures because yesterday was my tech support fiasco day, and it was all my technology just was working against me yesterday. So you got two lovely vlogs for you yesterday, for me today. Today you guys will get 2 vlogs. And now I'm gonna have to check and make sure the scheduled videos go up correctly. I was in tech support hell yesterday. I did not check the video. I knew there weren't comments coming in, but I was going, I don't know, maybe they're busy. I just assume you guys are busy. Okay, crazy stalker ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go check Fluffy because you guys said the blue hairdryer lamp was in the van. It's already 11 o'clock. All I've been doing is paperwork all day. I had some personal life stuff I had to get done. But it's done and it's out and it feels good. So now let's check Fluffy for a blue hairdryer lamp. Let's find her. Let's see. Let's see. See the yellow one. Hang on. I'm not seeing a blue hairdryer lamp. Are you? Guys? I don't see it. No. I'm not seeing her. Let's get in. Okay. Hang on. Under here. No. Nope. Why am I not seeing it? I swear to God it was in here though. This is where I remember putting the hairdryer lamp. Why am I just not? I mean, it's definitely not in the garage. Like a whirlwind and tore that apart so I can confidently say it's not in there. It could be buried under all this stuff now. All right, I can't. Okay. I'm gonna go in and start pricing. I tried to steam some of the clothes, and of course, exactly what I thought would happen happened. And that is that Margot started barking her head off because it sounds like a cat hissing. She freaked out. My husband's sleeping, so I have to wait till he wakes up to steam anything. That means I need to get pricing, and then I'm gonna bring a box out. That metal military bin is still empty and Fluffy. So I want to get some pieces that there's the pitchfork that I got that I'm gonna put in there so that it doesn't punch through any boxes when anybody's carrying it. So that's gonna go in that metal bin, and then a couple other awkwardly shaped pieces are gonna go in there. Just look at this, guys. Went out without me. Where have you been? You've been gone so long. Yeah, my house is a freaking mess, and my husband has lost his mind about it. And this is the line in the movie where everybody, the time in the movie where everybody goes, "No, it's not the time to turn on each other." But I don't think I'm on his team anymore. I think he's turned on me already. And I keep making it worse because I keep doing more and more and more and more and more and more. As you see, that van is not full. That van needs to be full before we go. It's not, I am not getting paid to drive air. So we need to make sure it's full. This sharp little number is going in the metal military drawer so I don't injure anyone with it. There we go. A couple awkward pieces that don't really fit in boxes really nicely, including this Victorian bridal basket. There we go. We still have a little more room if I find something else awkward. I'm still not seeing that blue hairdryer lamp, but we'll find it. I forgot to leave for my doctor's appointment. I've been having a panic attack, and it's a thyroid thing where my thyroid just sends out adrenaline for no reason at all. I mean, I'm getting a ton of work done, so I don't understand why my thyroid would be, adrenaline is just coursing through me. And I looked at the clock and I'm like, I have 7 minutes to get to my doctor's appointment. Now I have a reason to be panicked. I just left the doctor's office. I have to go shopping because they're waiting for my prescription to be filled here. She sent it down to Forest Lake. I'm not in Forest Lake. I'm not going down to Forest Lake. I need them to do it here. So I am going to go shopping at my happy place while they figure it out. Good news is it's not my thigh. It's not my leg at all. Bad news is it's my back. I spent $40 on hand. Ah! That's good stuff though. I got a cabinet back there that's going to jump bonanza. I was sitting there thinking I needed more small pieces, like layering pieces and things like that. I was thinking that last night. And then this was $13.50 for this cabinet. It's tall. So if I put it up and things sell off the floor, I can move it down. It's just a lot of thinking. That's where everything goes wrong, right? When I start thinking. Let's see if my prescription's ready. They didn't text me. But I've been there too long. And then I got a creepy clown bank. And then they had brand new, their highlighter pens tape flags. I bought some for Victoria, and one for Victoria, one for me. They were 75 cents. So I'm like, yeah, 75 cents, brand new. Posted flag, Bic, and then you guys gotta see this. Just $5. I'm hoping it works. When I get it home, I'm gonna love it up and see if it works. I fixed a clock yesterday. I was so freaking proud of myself. A Black Forest wind-up alarm clock I fixed yesterday. I put all the pieces and parts back together, got it lubed up, ticking, and the alarm went off and everything. I was pretty proud of myself. I've never fixed the clock before. The only clocks that I fixed before are like just wind-up alarm clocks that just need a little WD, but this one was in pieces. And I put back together and it works. So yay, the working alarm clock is $70 for a West German Black Forest clock, as opposed to the $10 I probably could have got for it in the condition it was in. And then I got the creepy clown bank from the 1970s, I'm guessing. Oh my God, Jeremy's clown bank. Isn't he creepy? Well, I got him. Go see if my prescription's ready here. Hang on. Oh yeah, and the last thing I got was a Dry Master shoe, boot, glove, and helmet dryer. And this is important in Minnesota in the wintertime, and I've been thinking about it ever since I had a kid, and I never got one. And this was $14. If it doesn't work, I can bring it back in 7 days. So I'll show you the cabinet when I get back. I think it's a good layering piece, and I think it's just small enough to still fit in the van. also gave me muscle relaxers I can take 3 times a day. Evidently, it will not put me into a coma. I was like, I gotta work. She's like, I know, you gotta get stuff done. I'm like, I gotta get stuff done. Have I made myself perfectly clear? I do not want drugs, and I don't want to like take narcotics and be drooling into my lap here. I got function. I gotta be a high functioning invalid. So, it's my back. She's like, yeah, you got a problem with your back. I know. But, the choices are live at the freaking doctor's office. So I gotta go to the pain clinic. I'm like, I promise after this I'll make a point of getting another shot in my back. But right now, no, I can't. Well, if it gave you some relief, I'm like, yeah, it does, but no. All right, want to see if it works? Yeah, it does. Heading to Junk Bonanza. So I looked up this little guy, and he's worth $20. The flashlight's worth $25. This was $2.50. The flashlight was $5. So these two are going to Junk Bonanza, and if they sell, have paid for my entire trip today. And there's profit already. Yay! So we did good. Okay, guys. Done some more packing. Are you ready for this? It is almost full. Almost. There's still plenty of room over here, and we're gonna fill it all. A little up there, some hat boxes are going up there. She's gonna be full. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.